Stepping up and down, standing on my toes. Look, calling Michael Jackson, you knows. Am I white or am I black? It doesn't even matter cause I'm coming back right.
Cracker Jack in the back of the box. I got the prize and I call you Spock. Only because Ox should be my middle name. Cause I got the shit like pussy beef loud man. Oh yeah, all over this place I do it. I got the crazy raps everybody wanna screw with. Cause you know I'm fucking in that motherfucking sewage like the ninjas and turtles. Fuck it, I don't give a screw. Loose in my brain, I'm done. Fuck, pull the plug, I'm down the drain. Take the shit, my brain's insane. Shit.
You're not gonna finish your main, so I am. I'm following this beat like a fucking map plan. I'm following it to the X. It's 5 steps this way to the next. Step way, maybe sideways, maybe I'll shuffle. Man, who the fuck plays these games? Man, I don't. I'm not a fucking pirate. I got both eyes and a peg leg on my side. And I'm just doing this, I ride. Fat chicks on the side because they need loving too. You know? High five a motherfucking dude trying to get
fuck a fat chick, dude. Fuck your words. Everybody knows in the nude, these fat chicks can fucking swallow you. You're as skinny as a broccoli stalk, dude. And I don't wanna fucking talk the talk. I just wanna walk the walk and everybody lined in chalk with the same shit that I got. I gawk at arms. I wanna smack a fat bitch like Lucky Charms in the face. With that shit, you couldn't chase or replace anybody. But the fish smell that I hear coming from hell. I mean the underside, it's like a fucking cage grill. It's heating up and still it swells. What the fuck? I guess that's what smells. Shit needs an oil change.